When I started working in the call center industry, I experienced what they call the yo-yo effect. I gained a few pounds and then I lost them, gained double and then I lost them again.
Kumbaga na-mess up na yung metabolism ko. Ito grabe na talaga. That's when I packed the pounds. Maabot ako ng 200, 200 plus. So, hirap talaga mag-lose ng weight.
I myself was very surprised when I took my BMI, my body mass index, and found out that I was overweight. And actually, I was near obesity.
I have never tried anything like this before. Lean and Fab has helped me lose 10 pounds in just a couple of weeks. And without exercise, without dramatically changing my diet.
Pero ever since taking Lean and Fab, in 2 weeks, I lost 7 pounds and 2 inches off my waist.
What really made me happy about Lean and Fab is clothes that I haven't worn in the past 3-4 years. I get to fit in them again.
I used it for 15 days. I used the bottle, and I got surprised when I weighed in. I used to weigh 185. The last time I weighed in, I was at 178, which meant I lost 7 pounds in 2 weeks.
I've tried it, and I'm so excited because it's so safe. There are no adverse effects of any kind that I've felt.
Sabi nila, Siki, parang you've lost some weight. Sabi ko, talaga? Kasi dun ko lang malalaman eh. Dun sa sasabihin ng ibang tao sa akin.
Think about this. If I lost 4 kilos and 2 inches off my waistline in 2 weeks, imagine how much I would lose and how I would look in a couple of months. I'm very excited for that. That's going to be a whole new Roxy. It's a Roxy you've never seen before. And that's all going to be thanks to Lean and Fab.
I'm very excited not just to use the product, I'm very excited to market this product. Knowing that there's a very big market for it, knowing that a lot of people not just want to lose weight, but a lot of people need to lose weight already. Almost 35% of the whole world is either obese or overweight. The sad thing is 20% of the people don't know they're overweight or obese. They're practically in the dark about them catching a host of illnesses and diseases.
So, anong impact nito? Pagdating sa business side, yung pagpasok ng Lean and Fab sa GFI, nakikita ko it completes the loop eh. Kasi meron na tayong health and wellness, meron ng beauty and skincare, and weight management, it's a big market eh, not just here in the Philippines, but globally as well.
The US FDA patented ingredients have never been encountered before by the Philippine market. These are 4 ingredients that on their own are effective enough for you to lose weight. But to combine all 4, that's a different story. This product will puncture the market. This product will not only puncture the market, but it will conquer the weight management scene.
And I'm sure, pag mas maraming tao yung nakagamit itong product na to, mabilis sisikat to. And kapag tong Lean and Fab sumikat, kasabay na yun ang pagsabog ng global fusion.
This will take the whole world by storm.
There's nothing like Lean and Fab out there in the market. And I am confident to say, as early as now, that Lean and Fab will be the #1 weight loss and weight management product, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world.